and happy November. Hopefully you are adjusting well to the time change that we experienced over this past weekend. But if you find you're feeling a little off, completely normal. So we just wanted to give you 5 quick tips to help you take advantage of the end of daylight savings. So the first tip is that it might be a little bit easier to wake up in the morning because now 6 o'clock in the morning actually feels like 7 o'clock. So if 7 o'clock is your normal wake up time, but you find you're waking up a little bit earlier, or maybe you can set that alarm and it doesn't feel quite so jarring first thing in the morning, take advantage of that and start your day with some physical activity. Exposing yourself to that early morning light can be really beneficial. Tip number 2, knowing that we just had the end of daylight savings time, it gives us something to look forward to. That means that springing forward is a mere 18 weeks away. Somehow that makes it feel a little bit less far off in the future, that number 18. Tip number 3, that 18 weeks can kind of be a little built-in challenge period. So maybe take a few minutes, sit down and write where you want to be 18 weeks from now and create a personal roadmap for how to get there. Tip number 4, yes, the days are shorter and they're going to continue to get shorter for a little bit longer, but more darkness can help create longer sleep habits. So maybe setting a bedtime could be really beneficial right now. Turning off electronics, kind of setting a curfew for screens so that we can really enjoy all of those wonderful benefits of a good night's sleep. Things like increased immunity, who doesn't want that right now? Better attention, increased productivity, a better mood, appetite control. All of those things can come from a good night's sleep. So take advantage of those nice long nights. And last but not least, tip number 5, go easy on yourself. Maybe this week isn't the best time to cram your schedule full of commitments and appointments. Maybe you need to build in some time for rest or to do something creative or just to relax. Curl up on the couch with a good book and a cup of tea. So give your body a little bit of time to adjust, and hopefully you will be back on track feeling good as gold in no time. Thanks so much. See you soon.